Namaste. In this video we are going to discuss why everyone must stretch. So some of the benefits of stretching every day is that it helps prevent injury. If you're doing any kind of mobility exercise or if you're going for a run, it's important that you stretch, because when we don't exercise for extended period of time, lactic acid gets collected in our muscles and there is a lot of stiffness within our muscles that can only go away when we heat up the muscles necessarily. So make sure you do regular warm up as much as possible, and make sure you do stretching exercises, both dynamic and static, to make sure you don't attain any kind of injury. The second reason of stretching as much as possible is it improves flexibility, and you may never know how you can use your flexibility till you actually attain that particular flexibility. That's the thing, and flexibility is important. If you have flexible muscles, you have more range of motions, you are able to move much more fluidly, you are able to move much more easily, there is less friction in the movement, and you use much less energy because there is less friction acting against your effort. The third reason why you should stretch as much as possible is that it improves posture. Posture is one of the most important characteristic for an individual. If you have the right posture, you can come off as a really confident person. You can come off as a successful person. You can lift your mood if you have the right posture. So posture is really important, and a good stretching exercise can give you a really good posture. The fourth reason is it decreases stress. So stretching has been proven to reduce stress and reduce inflammation in the body and reduce anxiety and uplift the mood. And it does so naturally, because what happens is the body and mind are connected together. The body is the grossest form of mind and the mind is the subtlest form of body. Hatha Yoga says we can change our mind with our body, and you might have noticed this. When we are sad, we assume a certain kind of posture. When we are happy, we assume a certain kind of posture. And it has been proven that if you do it in reverse, if you assume a certain posture, you become sad. And if you assume a certain other posture, you become happy. So a body and mind is connected. And when we do flexibility exercises, when we do stretching exercises, we channel this connection and we naturally become less stressed, because we are channeling into that movement that is responsible for reducing stress. Fifth point, and the most important point, is stretching reduces back pain, especially a lower back pain. Now if you are working professional, you are working a day job or a night job, you are sitting in a particular posture for 6-7 hours. What it leads to is a stiff back, and it's very common that you get slip disc issue. So the only way to overcome is to necessarily flexibility exercise and stretch as much as possible, especially the lower back, to make sure it's flexible, to make sure it's not stiff. If your lower back is stiff, then there is a high risk of slip disc, high risk of back pain. And if you are unhealthy, you won't be able to work as much as you can. To become successful, you need to also become physically successful, physically healthy. Otherwise, most of your money will be taken away by the hospital bills. So to become successful, to become healthy, it's necessary you are both physically healthy as well as mentally healthy. And only then you will have more chance and opportunity to make money. So remember, there will always be more opportunity to make money, but there won't be many opportunity to be as healthy as you are right now. So always prioritize health first. That's all for this particular video. I hope you learned something from this video. Press the like button, leave your comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. If you're watching this in the course, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.